चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 136. The given dissociation constants of acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide in aqueous solutions are 10 power minus 5.
వాయిస్ వస్తుందా?
pH of acetic acid solution is 3. What will be the pH of ammonium hydroxide solution? अच्छा, Ka value, Kb values are given है. pH of acetic acid 3 is given. What will be the pH of ammonium hydroxide solution? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 136 है. pK is pK for acetic acid is given negative logarithm of Ka. अच्छा, negative logarithm of Ka value given 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 5. Not only pKa, pKb also given 5. pKb is also given 5. And what is the question asking is, pH of acetic acid solution is 3. What will be the pH of the ammonium hydroxide solution? अच्छा, इसे न्यूट्रल होना चाहिए ना, बोथ न्यूट्रल होना चाहिए. न्यूट्रल मीन्स सब देखो, pH of acetic acid 3 means pOH is also 3 होना चाहिए. That means for this pOH also equal to 3 होना चाहिए. अच्छा, pOH 3 means pH is equal to 14 minus 3, which is equal to 11. That means if pH is equal to 3, then this solution pH is equal to 11 होना चाहिए. Which is correct? Following option is 11 is the correct option. Once again, here equal strength of acid and base is given. Then both pH values are, मतलब H plus concentration should be equal to OH minus concentration. pH is equal to 3 means pOH also is equal to 3. pOH 3 means pH should be 11. Next, question number 137. An acidic buffer is a solution can be prepared by mixing the solution of. For your kind information, acidic buffer is a combination of weak acid and salt of a strong base. I think so. First option. Weak acid है, salt of a strong base. अच्छा, second one is a basic buffer. Third one is not a buffer है. Fourth one is also not a buffer. First one is acidic buffer, second one is a basic buffer. अच्छा, question number 130. For a reaction, KSP, diet formula, product of the concentration of the products whose coefficients are raised to the power small. अच्छा, A power y whole power x, b power minus x whole power y. मतलब फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ओनली करेक्ट. डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. KSP का फार्मूला. अच्छा, KSP is equal to here concentration of the A power y whole power x. अच्छा, b power minus x whole power y. Right question. Next question number 139. The solubility product of BaCl2 is this much. What will be the solubility? Because solubility product is given. Question number 139. 139. For barium chloride है, KSP is equal to 4S. अच्छा, KSP value is given 3.2 into 10 power minus 9. 3.2 into 10 power minus 9. What will the solubility in mole per liter? Mole per liter. अच्छा देखो 4s cube is equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 9. अच्छा s cube is equal to 3.2 by 4 into 10 power minus 9. अच्छा s cube is equal to 0.8 into 10 power minus 9. अच्छा s cube is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 10. अच्छा s is equal to 8 whole power 1 by 3. अच्छा 10 power minus 10 whole power 1 by 3. And this value is 2. This is supposed to be 10 power 9 into 10, 2 into 10 power minus 3. Once again, आप check करो solubility product of bearing chloride is solubility product is given 3. What will be the solubility in mole per liter? Mole per liter. अच्छा KSP is equal to 4s cube. That means 3.2 10 power minus 9 is equal to 4s cube. 4s cube is equal to this much. S cube is equal to देखो ये calculation part है. This is approximately minus 3.33 ना. मतलब 2 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 0.33. अच्छा 2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 10 power 0.3. अच्छा 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is approximately taken 2, which is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3. For your kind information, log 2 to the base 10 is equal to 0.3. 2 is equal to 10 power 0.3. अच्छा anti-logarithm of 0.3 approximately equal to 2. Answer is 1 in 10 power minus 3. Once again, bearing chloride KSP value given है. देखो S is nothing but this is 10 power minus 3.33. 10.33 ని మనం రాసుకున్నాను. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 0.33. 10 power minus 0.3 denominator తీసుకొచ్చాను. That value approximately equal to 2. Answer is 1 into 10 power minus 3. Now, solubility of calcium fluoride is given. Again, same formula, but here reverse side. Question number 140 is reverse side. Question number 140 is reverse side. KSP is equal to 4s cube. But here S value is given at 0.5 into 10 power minus 4. 0.5 into 10 power minus 4. Cube करो. अच्छा एक काम करो 4 into 5 into 10 power minus 5 whole cube. अच्छा 4 into a 125 into 10 power minus 15. अच्छा 4 into 125 nothing but 500. 500 into 10 power minus 15. अच्छा 5 into 10 power minus 30. आंसर देखो 140. 5 into 10 power minus 30. अच्छा fourth option. देखो once again right question. 4 into 0.5 and 10 power minus 4 whole cube. Calculate here. 5 into 10 power minus 13. Question number 140. Right question है KSP के S का relation. अच्छा 141 easy calculations है. देखो ये वाला C वाला AB type. अच्छा AB type means KSP is equal to SS. C1. अच्छा ये which option में C is 1? अच्छा only one option है. C is 1. Only one option है. अच्छा B is equal to A to B. A to B is 4SQ. अच्छा B4. अच्छा B4 भी only one option में. Odd man out. Easily you have to odd man out. Right? This is nothing but 108 S power 5. अच्छा remaining this is nothing but type of salsa, right formula. Okay, you know that KSP is equal to x4x y power y s4x plus y. Right formula based questions. 141. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 142. क्वेश्चन नंबर 142. अच्छा Ag2 CrO4. अच्छा 2Ag plus CrO4 2. But given in this concentration, given is Ag plus is a 1.5 into 10 power minus 4. 1.5 into 10 power minus 4. Then what is the ratio? 2:1 ratio. It should be 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 by 2. अच्छा, what is the formula for KSP? KSP is equal to Ag plus whole square CrO4 2 minus. अच्छा, Ag plus means 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 whole square into 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 2. चलो इसका कैलकुलेशन सिंपलीफाई करो. 1.5 into 10 power minus 4, 1.5 into 10 power minus 4, 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2. सिंपल कर. देखो ये वाला 15 into 10 power minus 5, 15 into 10 power minus 5. अच्छा 15 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 2. अच्छा फर्क करने पे 15 into 15 225. 225 into 15 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 15. अच्छा सिंपल कैलकुलेशन आप देखो 15 into 15 divided by 2. अच्छा which is equal to 1687.5 into 10 power minus 15. अच्छा देखो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, आप देखो डेसिमल पॉइंट ऐसे मूव कर रहा है 1 2 3 into 10 power 3 करो. डेसिमल पॉइंट ऐसे मूव करो 1 2 3 मतलब 1.687 10 power 15 into 10 power 3 which is equal to 1.687 into 10 power minus 4. देखो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में very simple question, so a little bit calculation. That's it. Ag plus whole square CrO4 2 minus. Little bit lengthy calculation, but easy tha. This value now 1 2 3 addition 10 power 3 10 power minus 15 which is equal to 10 power minus. Right formula based question है calculation part. This calculation part is reverse only. अच्छा this kind of question I discussed previously. अच्छा precipitate will occur means KSP should be greater than sorry, KSP will be less than ionic product. अच्छा, what is the condition for precipitation है? KSP less than ionic product. अच्छा, ये ionic product क्या है? Ag plus Cl minus. अच्छा, in class we discussed one question regarding to barium sulfate. चलो, whenever equal volumes are divide by 2 करना, divide by 2 करना. अच्छा, Ag plus concentration कितना है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 1 में 10 power minus 8 by 2 into 10 power minus 8 by 2, 10 power minus 16 by 2. अच्छा, 10 power minus 16 is lesser than KSP, there is no precipitation first option. Second option में देखो 10 power minus 3 by 2, 10 power minus 3 by 2, nothing but 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 6. अच्छा, 1 by 10 power minus 6. अच्छा, 10 power minus 6 is greater than, that is the second option only correct. 10 power minus 6 is greater than KSP. अच्छा, whenever ionic product greater than KSP, there will be the precipitation. अच्छा, third option देखो, try करो third option. अच्छा, 10 power minus 6 by 2, 10 power minus 6 by 2, मतलब 10 power minus 12, which is lesser than this one, there is no precipitation. अच्छा, यहाँ भी देखो 10 power minus 10 by 2, 10 power minus 10 by 2, 20, which is also lesser than KSP. The only one option में ionic product is greater than, that is the second option. Right? Next question number. देखो question number 144. What is the pH at which magnesium hydroxide begins to precipitate, form a solution containing 0.1 molar magnesium ions? अच्छा, KSP value is given 10 power minus 11. अच्छा, very simple. I think this kind of questions are I discussed in classroom also. Question number 144. 144. Magnesium hydroxide Mg plus 2 plus 2OH minus. अच्छा, ये वाला yes है, ये वाला 2s. But what is the common ion? 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar magnesium ion. मतलब 0.1 molar magnesium ion. Now KSP is equal to S plus 0.1 2s whole square. Now देखो expand करो, S plus 0.1 4s square है. अच्छा, 4s cube 0.1 into 4s square. अच्छा, now compared to s square terms, s cube terms are negligible. These are negligible. Then KSP is equal to 0.1 into 4 into s square. अच्छा, KSP value is given 10 power minus 11 है. 10 power minus 11 है. 4s square. Sorry. This is a 2s whole square. As 10 power minus 10 is equal to 2s whole square. 10 power minus 5 whole square is equal to 2s square. इसका मतलब 2s वैल्यू कितना है? 10 power minus 5. अच्छा, 2s का मतलब क्या है? OH concentration. मतलब OH concentration is equal to 10 power minus 5. Indirectly, OH concentration is equal to 10 power minus 5. If OH is 10 power minus 5, what about pH? What is the pOH? pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH, which is equal to 5. अच्छा, pOH is what is the pH है? pH is equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 5. देखो, that question है. I think so. We discussed it in classroom. Similar model question. So answer is 9. Which is 9. Answer is 9. अच्छा देखो, concentration of Ka, concentration of Kb are equal. Ka, Kb are equal. Then for our kind of information, you know, pH is equal to 7 plus of pKa minus of pKb. अच्छा, these two are equal is given है. These two are equally given है. pH is equal to 7 होना चाहिए. अच्छा, Ka value Kb value equal होना चाहिए. Equal में that तो का मतलब है कि pH is equal to 7 होना चाहिए. Right? अच्छा, in graphite the layers of the carbon atoms are held by van der Waals forces. अच्छा, direct question है van der Waals forces. Identify the incorrect statement they are asking you. Graphite is thermodynamically most stable allotrope. Correct only. Among the all available allotropies, graphite is the most stable form of the carbon. Other forms of elemental carbon like coke, carbon, is very good. All allotropies of carbon having thermodynamically same stability, which is incorrect. Which is incorrect. Same stability is incorrect. Incorrect statement only they are asking. Incorrect statement. Charcoal and coke are obtained by heating wood in absence of air. So incorrect statement is nothing but thermodynamically all are not same stable. Acha, Buckminster fullerene is nothing but C60. Acha, direct questions. Which of the following oxide can acting as a reducing agent? Acha, ये वाला reducing agent. Direct question था. Acha, for kind of information, zinc oxide నుంచి zinc extract చేయాలంటే we are using the carbon monoxide is a reducing agent only. Other than alkali metal and aluminium, remaining cases में CO is acting like a reducing agent also. Now, which of the following is not true about structure of carbon dioxide? Actually, CO2 carbon is sp, but is correct only. Carbon forms two sigma bond, one with each oxygen atom and two p pi bonds only. अच्छा, C double bond हो, देखो. Sigma bond, sigma bond. अच्छा, this pi bond is nothing but p pi now. This pi bond is nothing but p pi. In carbon vacant carbon unhybridized p orbital है, and oxygen में always p orbital है. Lateral overlapping is p pi. That is also correct है. CO2 is a linear molecule, correct है. CO2 is a polar molecule, is incorrect है. अच्छा, for your kind of information, dipole moment for CO2 is equal to क्या है? Linear molecule के लिए dipole moment क्या है? 0. Now, which of the following acid cannot be stored under the glass? HF, because itching of the glass. HI react with silica. So HI never be stored under glass. Glass is made with silica. Next. Which of the following is the correct statement about silicones? Acha, silicones, not silicates. This is a first option. They are made up of. This is incorrect. Incorrect, because this is a following is correct statement. This is for silicates. This is for silicate, not silicones. They are polymers made up of. This is correct only. They are water soluble, insoluble. Polymers are insoluble. They are hydrophilic, no hydrophobic. Alkyl groups. This is correct statement. This is correct statement. Alkyl groups are leophobic. Solvent hating. Became solvent loving, which is incorrect. Actually, generally polymers are insoluble in water. They are given soluble in water, which is also incorrect. The repeating unit is nothing but R2SiO is the repeating unit in silicon. देखो, type of zeolite used to convert alphas directly into gasoline. I think 2021 NEET examination also this question asked है, which is nothing but ZSM5. ZSM5. Now stability of the stability +2 oxidation state top to bottom increases. +2 oxidation top to bottom increases. Silicon, germanium, tin, lead. अच्छा, +4 decreases and +2 because of inert pair effect. +2 oxidation state, top to bottom increases only. That is the stability of dihalides, top to bottom increases only. +4 decreases only. अच्छा catenation है. अच्छा this is NCERT line based question है. आप देख लीजिए catenation का. Carbon silicon, carbon in high catenation, silicon, germanium and tin almost same है. Lead के लिए there is no catenation capacity. NCERT line से दिया, direct question था. NCERT line से direct question था ये वाला. अच्छा 156 है. The chain length of the silicon polymer can be controlled, and that is terminating. I think in class also discussed that. Terminating polymer is possible only in case of this one. Terminating, control means terminating. अच्छा मतलब terminating का मतलब देखिए. अच्छा M3 SiCl का मतलब क्या है? अच्छा, this is methyl and this is methyl and this is methyl. In hydrolysis gives, this hydrolysis gives a KOH gives क्या? Me3SiOH. मतलब ये AOH. अच्छा, we'll take one more unit है. One more unit है. Now only one monomer is formed. Further, this side we are unable to add. That side we are unable to add. Controlled है. Terminating है. So chain terminating polymer है. M3SiC. Right? अच्छा, Me4Si that they never form any polymer because all are methyl groups. Elimination reactions are not possibility there for this. Now 157 also, which are given NCERT textbook, COH is extensively used as a piezoelectric material which containing silica. Electricity to do mechanical stress. I said now, lighters are best example for piezoelectric material. Which are used, silicon is used in this. Acha, dry ice is nothing but solid CO2 na. Dry ice is nothing but solid CO2. Dry ice is nothing but solid CO2. Right? Acha, 159. What they're asking, mole fraction of NaCl. The mole fraction of NaCl है. Question number 159. Mole fraction of NaCl is nothing but number of moles of NaCl, number of moles of NaCl plus number of moles of water. अच्छा 5.85 grams. मतलब 5.85 divided by 58.5 gram molecular weight. अच्छा 5.85 divided by 58.5. अच्छा weight of water is given 90 grams. 90 by 80. अच्छा देखो ये वाला 1/10 है, 0.1 है, ये वाला 0.1 है plus 5. अच्छा 0.1 upon 5.1 है, which is equal to 1/51. अच्छा देखो 1/51 है, 1 divided by 51 है, which is equal to 0.019 approximately. देखो 0.019. I think fourth option is that. Direct question है. देखो direct question है. Mole fraction of NaCl. Number of moles of NaCl by number of moles of NaCl plus H2, which is very simple है. 0.0. अच्छा 1/50 0.02 ना. 1/51 0.019. Very simple. Next. What will be the molarity of the solution containing 5 grams of sodium hydroxide in 250 ml of solution? अच्छा, this is I think easy question है. Molarity का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. अच्छा 5/40 into 1000 by 250. अच्छा 1 force अच्छा 1 to 10 sir 0.5 direct question 160 direct question right molarity formula based questions chalo acha which of the following is a buffer they're asking acha first option is buffer hai no doubt at all first option is a buffer hai second option is not a buffer hai third option also not buffer hai fourth option also not buffer only one option first option is only buffer next question number 162 I think I said previous class one question also yes solubility given for gram per liter we need to convert mole per liter अच्छा how to convert gram per liter into mole per liter divided by gram molecular weight मतलब solubility over here is equal to 1.435 divided by 143.5 so molecular weight of silver chloride is 143.5 into 10 power minus 3 this is nothing but 1 by 100 1 by 100 nothing but 10 power minus 5 now KSP is equal to S square. And S is equal to under root KSP. Sorry, they're asking KSP only. They're asking KSP only. मतलब 10 power minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 10 power minus 10. Direct question, the only thing is you need to convert gram per liter into mole per liter. Next, 163. In amalgam of mercury with sodium solvent is amalgam of mercury liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. Amalgams are nothing but liquid in solid. The solvent is a mercury. Liquid is a solvent, mercury only. What will be the molarity of? I think this is also NCERT question. I think so. 164. What will be the molarity of 30 ml? This is dilution law only. Dilution law only. Question number 164. Dilution law. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. अच्छा M1 is given 0.5. V1 is given 30 ml. Actually, we have to find out M2 and volume diluted to how many ml? 500 ml. 500. So M2 is equal to this is nothing but 15 है ऊपर वाला 15 है 15 by 500 अच्छा 15 by 500 है देखो 15 by 500 15 divided by 500 which is equal to 0.03 molar. अच्छा 0.03 मोलर. That question dilution ना NCERT में question थी. अच्छा I think so question number 165. Question number 160 same है. अच्छा 5 ग्राम्स आप देख लो दोनों सेम आई थिंक सो देखो 160 में weight is given है asking molarity 0.5 अच्छा 165 में molarity is given है they're asking weight more or the same formula right चलो question number 166 क्वेश्चन नंबर 166. अच्छा मोलारिटी 166. 166. अच्छा मोलारिटी फॉर्मूला weight by gram molecular weight 1000 by Vm. अच्छा weight of urea is 120. Gram molecular weight of urea is 60. Urea is nothing but 60. Gram molecular weight of urea is nothing but 60. 1000 by. अच्छा volume of the solution. We don't know volume of the solution, but density of solution is given, which is equal to weight of solution upon volume of solution. अच्छा suppose if you want volume of solution है, weight of solution upon density. अच्छा weight of solution is given, I think so. Solute 120, solvent 1000. अच्छा 1120. 120 plus 1000 divided by density is given 1.15. 1.15. So what is this value is 1120. 1120 divided by 1.15. So 120 by 6. Actually, this is nothing but 2. 2 into 1000 by 2000. This is a 2000. 2000 divided by this value 1120 by 1.15. So 2000 into 1.15 divided by 1120. चलो ये काम करो, 0 0 कैंसिल है. That is 2 into 115 divided by 1. अच्छा 115 by 1 is greater than 1 and approximately greater than 2 होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन में एक ही ऑप्शन में greater than 2. Only one option है 2.05. अब देख लीजिए once again. This is a formula, but they are not given volume of solution. Provided density of solution. Volume of solution को weight of solution by density. Weight of solution means solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent divided by density. Substituted over here. Simple calculation आपने एक बार नोट कर. Answer is nothing but 2.0. Next question. What will be the molality of the solution of glucose in water? 10% weight by weight. अच्छा 167. Small m they are asking. Small m formula weight by gram molecular weight of solute 1000 by weight of solvent. Actually, given that glucose 10% weight by weight का meaning क्या है? 10 grams of solute present in 90 grams of solvent. Meaning of weight by weight क्या है? इसको मतलब अच्छा given solute weight is 10 है, ग्लूकोज के लिए 180 है, 1000 by weight of solvent is 90. अच्छा 1 0 1 0 कैंसिल है, 1 0 1 0 कैंसिल है, 100 by 18 into 9, 172. 172. देखो 100 by 172. 0.58, which is equal to 0.58. Small m. देखो 0.58 small. अच्छा देखो क्वेश्चन आई थिंक 167 है. 167 है. अच्छा 10 ग्राम्स इन 90 ग्राम्स है. चलो 10. अच्छा 100 by 18 into I think 162 might be. 160. We wrote 172, but देखो 100 divided by 18 divided by 9. Sorry, 0.61. 0.61. देखो 0.61. 0.61. ये वाला correct है. Right formula based question. Now 168. The law which indicates the relation between solubility of gas in liquid and pressure. Solubility of gas in liquid and pressure. Nothing but Henry's law. Right question, Henry's law. Solubility of gas in liquid, nothing but Henry's law. Now, relative lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to the ratio of number of solute molecules to the total number of molecules in solution. Solvent molecules to the total number of molecules in solution, which is correct. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to ratio of what? Solute molecules to solvent molecules. As the solute molecules to the total number of molecules in solution. Solute molecules to the total number of molecules. For example, we know RLVP is equal to XP. Number of moles of B by N A plus N. Number of molecules of solute divided by total number of molecules. Of course, for dilute solution के लिए we can neglect NB in denominator. Now, arrange the following aqueous solution in the order of their increasing boiling point. अच्छा, boiling point directly proportional to number of solute particles. अच्छा, ये number of solute particles है 10 power minus 4 into 2 Na plus Cl minus. Here only 10 power minus 4. ये देखो 10 power minus 3 into 3. 10 power minus 3 into 3. This is again 10 power minus 2 into 2. अच्छा, which is greater? देखो, this value is how much? अच्छा, you can check the concentration terms. This is nothing but 0.02 this value. अच्छा, this is nothing but 0.003 this value. अच्छा, this value is 0.0001 this value. This value is nothing but 0.0002 this value. अच्छा, which is a more value? This one 10 power minus 2 into 2. 0.02 is the highest value. Fourth is the highest. अच्छा, fourth is the highest. अच्छा, only one option में fourth is the highest. Two option में. These two are eliminated. These two are we have to miss elimination round में जाता. अच्छा, इसके बाद highest value है 0.033. Highest value 3. अच्छा, highest value 3. These two same है. Then 1 and 4. Oh, sorry. Highest value 3. 1 and 2 में which is highest है? This is 0.000, this is 0.001. 0.001 है, 0.002, which is 1 is highest. So मतलब, अच्छा simply, number of solute particle increases, boiling point increases. When number of solute particle increases, concentration term increases. When concentration term देखो, your concentration 0.02, 0.003, 0.001, 0.002. Right question. Next question number 171. Question number 171. अच्छा, barium hydroxide Ba plus 2 2OH minus SO2S S and 2S. Right. अच्छा, in that we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. pH is given 12 है. pH is given 12 है. मतलब pOH is equal to 2 है. OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 2 है. Suppose OH minus 2S is equal to 10 power minus 2 అయినప్పుడు SM అవుతుంది half into 10 power minus 2. For a kind of information, KSP formula, I think you might know very well. Ba plus 2 and OH minus whole square. अच्छा, calculation part है. Half into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2 whole square, 10 power minus 2 whole square. Calculation part है. Half into 10 power minus 6, 0.5 into 10 power minus 6 है. अच्छा, 5 into 10 power minus 7. Simple logical question. Because pOH is 2 means OH minus 10 power minus 2. If 2S is 10 power minus 2, then S is a half in 10 power minus 2. Applying KSP, a simple calculation, we get 5 into 10 power minus 7. Right? Achha, 172. A buffer solution containing equal concentrations of, whenever equal concentrations are given है, equal concentration are given है, pOH is equal to क्या होना चाहिए? pKb होना चाहिए. Then Kb for B minus 10 power minus 10. मतलब pKb एंता, अच्छा pO is equal to 10 है. Kb 10 power minus 10 means pKb is 10. pOH is 10 means what about pH? Then pH is equal to 14 minus 10, which is equal to 4. Direct question. Next question number 173. Question number 173. देखो, this is nothing but KSP is equal to 4S cube ना. अच्छा, solubility product is given. Then on to calculate solubility. Yes. अच्छा देखो, question number 173. 173. KSP is given है, which is equal to 4S cube है. अच्छा, S cube is equal to KSP by 4 है. अच्छा, KSP value is given है 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 divided by 4 है. Nothing but 32 into 10 power minus 12 है divided by 4 है. 8 into 10 power minus 12. But S is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 12 whole power 1 by 3. अच्छा, nothing but 2 cube into 10 power minus 12 whole 1 power 3. Nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 4. A simple calculation part है, note करो. 2 into 10 power minus 173. 2 into 10 power minus 4. 2 into 10 minus 4. Direct question. Simple calculations. I think previous last question also, I think so. 173. Right, very simple 173. Now 174. 174. Acha, once again very simple tha. Base concentration, salt concentration equal. Then pOH is equal to pK. Then I think what is the pH? Because here pH is given now. So for a kind of information, pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Acha, 14 minus sorry. You want pOH. Sorry. Acha, pOH, your pH is given now. pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. 14 minus 9.25. 14 minus 9.25. Kitna? 4.75, 3.75. 4.75. Right. Are question? Then what is the pOH? pOH, what to find out? 4.75, which is equal to pK. That is the question asked. Simple question. Right. Next. In which of the following solvents AgBr will have highest solubility? Dekho, whenever common ion is there now, according to Lead-George principle, backward direction favors, solubility decreases. Acha, AgBr lo Br minus common. Kabatti product concentration perigite backward direction, solubility less. But AgBr is a covalent compound which is insoluble in water. Obviously, which is a possibility is ammonium hydroxide. Our practical chemistry also you might know very well. AgBr is a pale yellow PPT which is sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide solution. Acha, odd man out easily how to remove it. Next question number 176. Which of the following aqueous solutions should have the highest boiling point? Once again, boiling point directly proportional to number of solute particles. Acha, here solute particles are only 2. Solute particles are 3. Here 2. Number of solute particles are more in case of second option. 2 Na plus and SO4 2 minus. 3 solute particles are there. Here only one. This is a 2 solute particles. Here also 2. Here also 2. The only second option 3 solute particles are there. Now, which of the following species is not stable? I think so. Previous last question. This is nothing but. Now, NCERT in-test question also. 6 large chloride ions cannot be coordinated by silicon atom. So SiCl6 2 minus is not possibility there. Now 178. Which of the following is incorrect? Achha, for your kind of information, this is not covalent. This is ionic. Achha, NCERT book mein diya PbF4 SnF4 is ionic in nature because metal and non-metal. Generally, top to bottom metallic character increases. This is an ionic character, but it is not a covalent character. Next, the basic structure unit of silicates. Silicates are nothing but Si4 4 minus. The basic silicates are nothing but simple silicates. Acha, glass reacts with HF. We can get H2 Si orthofluorosilicic acid. Orthofluorosilicic acid. Glass never be stored HF never be stored under glass because glass is nothing but silica. which react with excess of HF, we get H2SiF6. It is simple tha, some lengthy calculations tha, but which are we practice in classroom. Right? Thank you.